Meet Spin Kevin, meet Breath Kevin, meet Stroker Kevin, you're a clown, yeah! Woo, boy. What a delicious, delicious day. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's a lot cheaper than Meet Breath's course. Link in the description of the video. And I am finally getting my day in the sun. And it is glorious. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm a vociferous, is that a proper term? I'm a vociferous hater of Meet Breath Kevin. I have been on YouTube for about a year and a half, calling out this total freaking loser. What did I say in the past? Well, you can go watch my old videos. But I've been telling people, this guy is full of crap. He has no idea what he's doing. Over the past year and a half, 2 years, we've had an insane bull market where every stock went up. And this clown has been pumping the most garbage freaking stocks you can possibly imagine. And since stocks were going up, people thought he was a genius. They thought he was so intelligent. He's rich, bro. And the whole time, what he was doing was buying trash and then selling a course for $954, screwing people, charging them, and then convincing them to buy the same garbage stocks that he does. Now, he pretends like, he's not giving financial advice, but when you have 1.7 million viewers, a lot of people are going to follow your trades. Wow, what a crazy concept. A lot of young and impressionable investors have been listening to this freaking loser over the past 2 years and buying garbage stocks. And look what freaking happened. All of his stocks have been getting annihilated, except for Tesla. Now, we all know what Meet Breath did. He has this video where he's buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip. And he's basically, long-term investor. He's a long-term investor. And then, of course, paper-handed Bussy Boy went ahead and sold his entire portfolio because it was getting annihilated. Because the reckoning finally came. All his garbage stocks started to revert to their fundamental value, which is basically nothing. Most of the stocks he buys have negative 100% profit margins. Negative 100%. They make $1 in revenue, that's the top of the income statement, and then they lose $1 on the bottom of the income statement. Freaking garbage. You are not going to build wealth by buying highly speculative, unprofitable stocks like that. But over the past 2 years, I'm a genius, I'm a course bro, and then of course he sells like a little Bussy Boy, and I am so happy. So, every good investor knows you can't time the market. But Meet Breath thought he was a genius, because he's Meet Breath, bro. So he sold his entire portfolio because it was getting schwacked. He knew he was going to probably have massive losses if he didn't sell. Maybe he even got margin called. I don't know. I hope he did. Can't confirm that, though. I can't keep track of this dude, okay? He's doing this, he buys this, he sells this, he's all over the freaking place. He has no strategy. He's a freaking clown. He sells his entire portfolio. Oh, the market's crashing. Of course, bro. And then he goes ahead and buys a bunch of trash, unprofitable, small cap growth stocks, trying to time the market because he thought they were going to moon. And then, of course, he sold out of those. And now, apparently, he's 100% cash again. He's all over the place. And then he missed a freaking massive rally. Freaking hilarious. What a total loser. Now, tell me why, ladies and gentlemen, you would pay him $954 to learn about stocks and the psychology of money. He exemplifies the exact opposite of what you should do as an investor. Getting spooked when the market goes down, buying massively unprofitable hype stocks, trying to time the market. It doesn't work. He is a living example of a freaking disaster. But people get hoodwinked because he has a lot of money, not because he buys good stocks, but because he convinces people to buy his course. 69.420 discount. Well, guess what? His freaking day is coming to an end. And the day of actual good investment advice is rising, okay? I promote people, I say, to max your tax advantage accounts and dollar cost average into total world stock market index funds, and to not time the market. Yeah, it's boring. Well, you know what's more boring or more entertaining is seeing your portfolio go up and up and up and up over time because you're contributing massive amounts of money to tax-advantaged accounts. What this clown does is the exact opposite. He trades in and out of stocks, he generates short-term capital gains, and he pays up to 50% tax on all his freaking gains. Like a freaking moron. And now he's getting decimated. Everything I have said about him has come to fruition. And that's why my channel is growing. Because I speak the truth. I am telling you how to build wealth. You got to do it slowly and surely. You're not going to get rich quick buying hype stunks and listening to Meat Breath and paying $954 for a stupid course. Now, his massive grift is just coming to an end. It's so beautiful. Look what he does here, okay? He's got what is this? He's got two rectangles, one orange and one red, and then he has another one over here. And he has jobs/openings and inflation. This is all hocus pocus BS. He has proven that he doesn't know what he's freaking doing. He tries to time the market, and he's failed freaking miserably. But, oh, he draws little rectangles, and they're colorful. Oh, and he's got a Charmander and pretty colors in the back. Yeah, that's really something you should listen to. What a freaking genius. Let's see what else he draws. Okay, he draws a freaking circle. Biz blah. I don't know, what does that even say? A circle with some squiggly lines coming out of it. What is this? What is he freaking doing? He doesn't know what he's doing. He's a real estate investor that pretends like he knows what to do about stocks. And then here he is. This is his biggest offense of all. He has market open and market close live streams every freaking day. If you're a long-term investor, you don't need to watch the freaking market every day. Only morons who are going to lose their money watch the market every day. Stocks are highly volatile in the short term, and they can become divorced from their fundamental value. That's why if you're watching these hype stocks go up, you're like, oh, I'm so smart. You're just going through a hype phase in a bull market, and now they're returning to their intrinsic value, which a lot of these stocks' value is zero. Trash. Complete and utter trash. But here he is. Watching. Oh, he's got lines. Oh, it's a trend line. Yeah, that freaking works. Obviously, look what happened to his portfolio. What a freaking joke. What a loser. Okay, what's he doing here? He's reading an article about the Fed. Oh my God, the Fed. Oh, inflation, buying bonds. Oh.
And you need this.
And the best part of all, somebody gave him $2. The best part of all is he is such a dork. He's such a coward that he turns his comments off. I wonder why, Meat Breath. I wonder why. Because you can't handle the heat. You rose to fame during a stupid bull market where a bunch of freaking clowns got a bunch of stimmy checks and they were able to spend them on your stupid course and buy a bunch of trash stocks. You grew to prominence hyping a bunch of freaking BS. You got lucky with Tesla, which is massively overvalued, and that's your one claim to fame. And now that you're getting annihilated and being proven to be a freaking moron at trading, you should probably be stuck to real estate, buddy. Now you turn off your comments because you can't take the heat. You know how much heat I've been taking, criticizing you, calling you out for your BS, all these freaking months and years, and I'm finally getting proven right, and it is freaking glorious. Kevin, if you stop doing this, if you go back to real estate, I'll stop making fun of you. But I know you won't because you live for that ad revenue, and you probably did this. You probably did this whole freaking stunt for publicity. I'm going to basically betray my audience, and I'll get more subscribers because that's how YouTube works. It's freaking sad. You need to go back to real estate, stop talking about stocks, or if you do, maybe consider talking about index funds and tax advantage accounts. Do the right thing for your freaking fan base. I know you're not going to because you're a degenerate grifter and a scumbag, but I'm just offering this to you. You will serve your audience, which I'm sure you care so much about, a lot better by telling them good ways to invest. But I know you're not going to do that. What a freaking joke.
People are being mean to me. I'm going to turn off my comment. Buy my course, bro. Coupon code 42069.
Oh, this is glorious. Oh, this is glorious. Just keep screwing up, man. The more you screw up, the more ammunition I get to prove to you what a freaking clown you are, what a joke you are. Anyway, that's it. Don't buy his course. Don't buy his stupid merchandise. Don't even watch his videos, okay? He wants you to watch his videos. He wants drama so he can generate ad revenue. That is why he has lots of money. It's not from his investing philosophy. He doesn't know what he's doing. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Have a wonderful night. Cheers!